In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons local multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all the options that you have to play Animal Crossing New Horizons multiplayer. So, local multiplayer is included in New Horizons, and you will be able to invite your friends through various different means. So, first, ensure that you have multiple switches. Each player will need their own Nintendo Switch console with a copy of the game, and every single Nintendo Switch should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So the first option that you have, on the island where you want to host the multiplayer session, go to the Dodo Airlines terminal. In there, choose the option I want visitors, and you will now be able to choose local play. This option allows you to invite players who are physically nearby, and then you can open the gates. So choose the option to fling them open, and this will allow anyone using local play to visit your island. You can give your friends your Dodo code, which is the unique code generated by your island, and they will be able to visit by going over to the Dodo Airlines terminal on the switches and entering this code. And once they join, you will be able to play together. As long as you set up local play properly through the Dodo Airlines, they will be able to copy the code, go over there, and choose the option to visit your island in New Horizons. And of course, you can do the same with them. They just have to go over to the Dodo Airlines, choose the option I want visitors, and choose via local play. It is incredibly simple to set up, and like I said, this method is not going to be split screen. For this method, each player will need their own Nintendo Switch. To my knowledge, there is no other way to set local play without this method, so keep that in mind. Do it through the Dodo Airlines. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons local multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.